Hi.
And today we are at Dagupan City and it's their town fiesta, so there are a lot of cards here. And let me show you around. Some notable street foods are this. Seriously, want to try this?
We're eating this called dilis.
It's little fish, like anchovies, right?
Yes.
With sugar.
And you can find this all around Dagupan.